Hello and welcome to this website here. I have a little bit of an announcement. So I have created a community on Skool. So this is a website where you can create communities or join communities if you want. And you get to learn things. This is kind of a way where you can go and teach people things, or you can go on and learn things. So there are a lot of different things, like a pickleball school right here. This one has 1,300 members. Or the AI Automation Society, which has over 345,000 members. It's huge. This is actually one of the largest groups on here. And calligraphy school, there's a dance school. Schoolers is the one where all people who create a community become a member of. So as you can see, there are 193,300 members, which means that there are over 193,000 people who have created communities on Skool. And as far as I know, there are over 25 million people on this platform. So it's pretty big. And so I thought I would start one. It's actually right over here. I'm calling it the YouTube Creator Workshop. So this is for anyone who wants to improve their channel, improve their videos. And this is a community. So this is not just me. It's multiple people who are in there to learn and to help others. So there are people who are more experienced who are going to be in this community who will be answering questions and helping out. So like I said, it's not just me, because let me just tell you that the big thing about YouTube is you're never finished learning. You're always learning because there's something that's changing all the time, especially the algorithm. That is changing constantly. So let me tell you about what I am doing. And we'll just switch back to Minecraft because, you know what, that's what I usually do. So one thing that I noticed on Skool is that there are a good number of communities where you're learning about how to make good videos or a good channel and grow. And very few of them are doing what I kind of specialize in, and that is evergreen content. There is one that I found that specializes in evergreen content, and they focus more on sales. So not exactly focusing on YouTube itself, but more on using YouTube to generate sales, but also having your channel and videos be evergreen content. So it's a little bit different than what I'm doing. So what I would like to do with this community is help anyone who wishes to grow their channel, keep it going long term, eventually monetizing, of course, and having that content that continues to get views long term. And when you have videos you're trying to go viral with, those ones generally do not keep getting views long term. Quite a few people are able to do this, but it's not everyone. Usually when a video gets a ton of views, it dies off. But with evergreen content, and in particular for my channel, my main channel, it's tutorials. Now, my focus for this is not Minecraft. So this Skool community is for anyone who has a YouTube channel. So it does not have to be Minecraft. It can be absolutely anything. And this community in general, we will help pretty much anyone with anything. So it could be about how to set up a channel, how to record videos, how to make thumbnails, how to do titles and descriptions. And of course, my focus is on making it so that it's searchable, easy to find in YouTube search as well as Google search. And that's what I want to help people with. And well, not just that. As I mentioned, I will be giving a lot of advice on YouTube in general. So there's that. Now you may be wondering, what makes you think you can give advice on this? I have been on YouTube since 2006. My first YouTube channel was in 2006. So it's been 20 years. I wasn't very serious back then. Then I did videos on Japan and, things like that. And then back in, 7 years ago, just over 7 years ago is when I really became serious about YouTube. And one of the things I found that I did really well was growing my channel with tutorials. And I can tell you that I understand why growth has slowed down for me. It's because I haven't been making as many tutorials lately. So that is one example of a lesson that I could teach. So in Skool, there are a lot of different tabs in there. In each community, you've got the main page, of course, where you can have discussions. There's a lot of conversations in there. And then there's Classroom, where you can take the lessons. There's modules that you can take. And you can take any one that you like if you need any help on anything in particular. But as for the main page, this is where every day I'm going to be asking a question. A question of the day. I'm also going to have news. I'm going to have various conversation topics as well. And members can post questions themselves that they would like to find out information on and get help. And I just think that this is a great way to grow a community of YouTubers in general. As I said, not just Minecraft, but YouTubers in general. And you will be able to get advice from myself and many others who have been doing this for a long time. Now, we have just started. So right now there are 4 members. And it's going to be interesting to see how this grows. So, of course, here I am telling you about it. So if you are a YouTuber or aspiring YouTuber and you want to know how to create a channel, grow a channel, and make it become something more than just a hobby as well, then this community is for you. Definitely for you. We're all very, very welcoming, and it's a very interesting platform, I find. It's something that I had been considering for the last 2 or 3 months. And I finally just went ahead and did it. I just created this thing. And you will notice when I showed you the page, there are some paid ones as well. I will be starting a paid one. Yes. That is going to be for people who are really, really serious about growing their channel, and in particular, evergreen. And not only that, I will be able to offer one-on-one consultations or just one-on-one reviews of your channel and give you pointers, help, things like that. And the lessons, the classroom lessons on that one will be far more in-depth. And I think that a lot of people will find a lot of value in it. It's going to be interesting. Very, very interesting to see how this goes. But again, why I did start to answer this question. Why do I feel that I can teach people these things? Like I said, I have been doing evergreen content on this channel for 7 years, and it is what has made my channel, not this channel, but my main channel. It's what has made my main channel grow so much faster than if I hadn't done that kind of content. Evergreen content is great for long-term growth, and the more you do it, the more views you get, really. So I will be sharing a lot of examples from my own experience, the analytics, the growth that I have experienced on various videos, as well as, yes, I will go into the financial part of it. And so it's going to be fairly in-depth about my experience. I'll even go through how I record, edit, and publish videos. I'm going to talk about YouTube itself, how to look at the analytics, what everything means, and how you can learn to use all that information. And I think that for some people, you may know this already. But there are a lot of... There are a lot of things that a lot of people don't know. You may be running a YouTube channel for as a hobby for quite a while, and you find you're not really growing very fast, and you're wondering why. But there are things that you may already know about growing on YouTube. So everyone's experience is different. So I like to try to help everyone. I mean, that's a lot of different things to help out with, a lot of different topics. But I will let you know that a lot of the... let me just make this daytime here. A lot of the things that will be done are in consultation with you. Really, the members who join will have a lot of say in what is going to be taught. So right now, there are 0 lessons. That's right. But I am working on one right now. And I'm going to try and get lessons up maybe once a week. And I think that'll be a good pace to work at. And for anyone who is new later on, they'll have a lot more to go through, of course. But this is something that is going to be a very involved process. There's going to be a lot of work to do with this. And this is something that I'm going to need help with. So as I said, the community will drive a lot of the content on there. Whatever people are interested in learning, I will create lessons for it. I will be asking everyone, it's like, what do you want to see on it? What do you want to learn? Is there something that you have difficulty with and you would like to master that? So that is what I'm going to be focusing on a lot of the time. And so I want there to be value for everyone. Also, fun thing about this is interaction and being active is gamified. So the more you post, the more you comment, and the more you like, you're going to advance in rank in the group or in the community. And different levels can get some different perks. There could be some Well, I haven't figured it out yet, which is kind of the fun thing. I would like to find out what people would like to have, you know? So, I would like you to take a look. I'm going to share the link in the description below. I'll probably put it in the pinned comment as well. So you can take a look at it, and if you are an aspiring or current YouTuber and would like to join, then please feel free to join. Also, you don't have to use your real name. It's fine. It will ask you for your name when you sign up, but you don't have to use your real name. Just use whatever you like. And yeah, I hope to see you there. If you are serious about this, there is, of course, the upcoming, let me say, premium or pro community that I will be starting, which will end up taking a lot of effort for me to get going. So I am really looking forward to seeing a lot of you coming in, and let's have fun, really. If you are interested, then leave a comment below, but definitely click on the link in the pinned comment. So I hope to see you there. Now, if you like videos like this and would like to see some more, then please consider subscribing to this channel as well as my main one. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.